I had a rusty plier and I needed it to look good for a video. So I did what any reasonable person would do. I decided to remove the rust using a sandpaper. It was doing okay, I guess, but I was too lazy to keep doing this for hours and hours and hours. So today, I decided to make something that will help me with that. I made a sanding machine or a grinder that will help me do that work easier, faster and better. And I also made something else. Just wait till the end to see what it is. So to make this grinder, I got a gear. I attached another gear to it to make it more stable. I took a little screw. Oh, pardon my clumsiness, because it turns out the screw is a little bit slippery. So I took a screw, chunked it through the center of the gear. Use some glue to hold it in place. I took a small piece of sandpaper. It was a bit curved, so I straightened it up. I applied some glue on the gears, placed the sandpaper on top of the gears, held it in place for some time. After it was good enough, I took another piece, glued it on the same gear beside the other sandpaper, and made sure they aren't going anywhere. I cut the excess pieces that were sticking out around the gears. First of all, I decided to test the motor I will use for this build, and it is a 555 drill DC thrust motor. Then I'm using this little adapter I got from a ceiling fan. I used the screw on one end of the adapter to attach the shaft of the motor. Then the other end, I attached the sanding disc and tightened it with that other screw. I brought a 12-volt battery I was using for this test and hooked them up. After I got my rusty plier, I got to work. Now this is more like it, getting the vibration from the motor and the sanding, getting faster and much better results, and having to see my efforts come to play. Now let's watch this grinder at work. Don't go just yet. Remember, I still have something to show you in the end. So if you like videos and experiments like this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you don't, comment your reason. So YouTube Analytics shows me that some of you are watching on a television. So please comment your device so I will know those that are watching from a TV. Thanks. And comment other ideas you might have for maybe a future video or whatever question you might have. Comment down below. Now, after the plier looks good enough to me, or so I thought, you can now move on to the next experiment. So let's make a sanding drum. Now to make this, I took the cylinder of a syringe, cut out a good length, put a screw I cut with a plier into it, placed it in the middle and held it with hot glue. Once it dried, I got a super glue as always and a sandpaper, put some glue on the syringe, use my hand to guide it so it doesn't move sideways or shake. It really gave me a hard time because the surface of that syringe is either a bit wet or the syringe is slippery. But in the end, it gave way and came out to be well done. Now, I took the same setup as the one with the grinder. I took the wire adapter, put one end in the motor shaft and held it with one of those screws, and then the sanding drum on the other end. I tested it first and it was really shaking, like really bad. So I thought maybe it's because the screw wasn't holding the sanding drum very well, but I checked and the screw was fine. So if you know what the problem is, please comment down below. I would really love to know. So now I got some wood to test this sanding drum. I mean, what an experiment without the test. So now it did a great job. If you found this video interesting, please consider to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and you will hear from me hopefully in the next video if you choose to come back. please do come back. I really need you, because if you do not watch my videos, if you do not see what I'm doing, I cannot keep posting to ghosts. So please, for all the legends out there that have been to my channel before, I really appreciate you all. And then for the new ones, welcome to the channel. I really love you guys so much. Thank you and goodbye.